Continue. Wrap the yarn, forming a loop. Insert the hook, yarn over, and pull through the short tail. Chain a 1. Then insert into the center and make sk. Place a marker. Make 5 sk. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth. After making 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then tighten the loop. SL street to the first SC. Insert into the first marked stitch. Then pull through. Pull through again and tighten. Then chain a 1. This is quite small. Continue into the marked stitches. Into this stitch. Remove the marker. Make sk. Mark the first sk. Then make 1 SC in the next stitch. Second sk. Then make 1 SC in the next stitch. Continue with the third sk. Fourth sk. 1 stitch left. Make 1 ink in the last stitch. Again, for SC, 1 ink. After weaving in this tail, cut it. The domed right side. Then push it out like this. Like this. SL street to the first SC. Tighten CH1. Make 1 SC in the first stitch and mark it. For this round, make 5 sk, then 1 ink. This is the first SC, second, third, fourth, fifth. This is the marked stitch. Then there is 1 stitch left here. 5 sk. The last stitch here is an ink. This round is finished. Then all street to the first SC. Tighten CH1. Make the next round. First make 1 SC and mark it. Continue making sk. For this round, make 6 sk. Then the last stitch is an ink. After making 6 sk, make 1 ink in the last stitch. After this round, there are 8 sk. Please count them yourself. After finishing, SL street to the first SC, CH1. Still into the first stitch. Finally, make round 5 and round 6. For round 5 and round 6, make 8 sk. No ink. Just make 1 SC into each stitch. Just work 1 sk. SL street to the first SC, CH1, and the last row. The last round is also 8SC. After finishing, Sol street to the first chain a 1. Fasten off, tighten. This is the elephant's trunk. Like this. Use pink. Start crocheting the ears. After wrapping the yarn, form a loop, then insert the hook. Yarn over and pull through. Chain a 1, then insert again. Yarn over, pull through, mix. Mark the first stitch on this edge. Place the marker. This is the first SC. Make 6 SC in total. After making 6, tighten the loop. SL street to the first stitch, which is the marked stitch. Tighten CH1. Still make 1 SC into the marked stitches. Mark the first sk. For this round, make ink in each stitch. Make another SC into the same first stitch. Here, 2 SC are made. This is an ink. Repeat. Make 6 groups in total. This is the second group. After finishing, Sol street to the first chain a 1. Continue to round 3. For round 3, make 1 SC into each stitch. Continue, second. Make 12 sk. After finishing, Sol street to the first CH1, fasten off. It looks like this. Then take out this colored yarn. Crochet another one using the same method. Take out this pink one. Hold them back to back. Insert into the first stitch. Then insert into the pink one. Hide this yarn tail at the back. Then make sk. Join them by making sk. First stitch. Then continue. Stitch to stitch. Hide this yarn tail inside. Stitch to stitch. Then all street to the first SC. Then leave a long tail. This makes one ear. At this position, crochet another one using the same method. Now let's crochet the rabbit ears. Here, I'm using pink yarn to demonstrate. White yarn is hard to see clearly. When you crochet, use white yarn. I'm using pink yarn for the demonstration. First, wrap the yarn to form a loop. Pull the yarn through. Chain a 1. Insert hook into the loop. Pull the yarn through. Works 1 sk. This is the first sk. You can see this V shape. This V shape on the side is the first stitch. Place a sm on it. Continue inserting hooks into this loop. Pull the yarn through. This is the second stitch. Works 6 stitches in total. After working 6 stitches, count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull this loop tight. After pulling tight, into the position of the first sm, insert hook. Pull the yarn through. Pull the first loop through the second loop. A V shape is formed here. This is formed by the sole street, so we need to pull this tight. See, this one becomes very, very small. After tightening the loop, see H1. Still into this same stitch, which is the sm position. Work sk. Pull the yarn through, yarn over. Pay attention here. This is the top V shape, not the loop on the hook. This V shaped up here is the first stitch. The one below, that was the China. We ignore that stitch. Into this top V shape, place a sm. Still into this same stitch as before, which is the stitch of the sm. Work 1 more SC. So, same stitches. 2 sk. That's an inkin sk. Repeat 6 times for this round. This is the first group. 2 sk. This is the second group. This is the third group. Fourth group. Fifth group. After working 6 groups, count them. There are 12 stitches in total. Then join with the sole saint to the first stitch. Pull through, pull tight. Then China 1. Start round 3. First, work 1 sk. After working the sk, still place a sm on this top V shape. Then work an ink in SC into the next stitch. This is one group. That is, first work 1 sk, then work 1 ink in sk. Crochet 6 groups in total. After finishing this round, there are 18 stitches. Join with a Saul Saint to the first stitch. Be sure to pull tight. Then China 1. Rounds for 6. Each round is 18th. That is, into each stitch. Just work once. And for the first stitch, remember to place a sm. Then continue crocheting into each stitch like this. This is round 4. How do we count the rounds? Look at the center circle. Here is the dividing line. This circle is round 1. This is round 2, round 3, round 4. Join with a Saul Saint to the first stitch. Chain a 1. Continue to round 5. 18th. Remember to place a sm on the first stitch. Join with a Saul Saint to the first stitch. Crochet round 6. 18th. After finishing the last stitches, join with a Saul Saint to the first stitch, CH1, crochet round 7. For round 7, first work 1 SC and place a sm. Then work 1 deckensk. There are 2 ways to deck. First method, insert hook. Pull the yarn through. Don't yarn over yet. Then insert hook into the next stitch and pull the yarn through. Then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. This combines this stitch and this stitch into 1 stitch. After combining them into the same stitches, that's a deck. Then the second method is to find these half loops of the stitches. The half loop closest to us. Then insert hooks through both of these half loops. Okay. First insert through the first one, then wrap the yarn. Insert through the second one. Okay, then yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Okay, then with 2 loops left, yarn over and pull through both. This is an invisible deck. You can see from the side, this stitch and this stitch. Here there is only 1 strand. We picked up that strand. Then the next stitch is a complete V. And this is the next stitch. Okay, 1 sk. Then 1 deck. This is the pattern for this group. Repeat 6 times. Here is group 1, group 2, group 3, After working 6 groups, join with a Saul Saint to the first stitch. Chain a 1. Round 8 and round 9 are the same. Work 12 sk. That is, just work 1 SC in each stitch. Place a sm on the first stitch. After working 12 sk, okay, join with a sol saint to the first stitch. Pull tight, CH1. This is round 8. Round 9 is the same, 12 sk. After finishing, join with a sol saint to the first stitch. Join with a sol street, CH1. Leave a long tail here. Pull it through. This is one ear. Then fold it in half like this. Take out a yarn needle. After pulling tight like this, align it. Pick up these 4 stitches from this side. For parallel stitches, insert needle. Do 1 more stitch. Place 1 strand on top. Pull tight. Next stitch. Last stitch. So 3 stitches like this. Everyone uses white yarn to crochet. Crochet 2 ears in total. Then set them aside for later use. We'll assemble them later. Next, crochet the koala's ears. First, take out the pink yarn. Wrap the yarn to form a loop. Insert the hook. Pull the yarn through. Chain a 1. Then go back into the loop. Pull the yarn through, work 1 sk. This is the first sk. Works 5 SC in total. After working 5 SC, pull the loop tight. Be careful, do not join with a sol saint. Then chain a 1, then turn. After turning, pay attention. There is a very small hole here. This hole is skipped. Do not work into it. Then work directly into this larger hole below. Insert hook. Pull the yarn through, 1 sk. Then work 1 more SC into this same space. That is an inch-sk. Each space a stitch gets an inch-sk. This row consists of 5 groups. That makes 10 stitches. After you finish, you can count them yourself. After finishing, chain a 1. Turn. Also skip 1 small one. Then start from this larger one. First, work 1 sk. Then work an inch-sk. This is the first group. That is, first 1 sk. Then 1 inch-sk. Continue. SC, inch-sk. Sk, inch-sk. After finishing, CH1 and fasten off. This is the inner ear. take out the gray yarn. Turn it over into the first stitch. Pull up a loop, chain a 1, then work a SC into the same stitch. Work 1 SC into each stitch. When working, place the yarn on top to trap the long end. "10 SC in total. After the 10 SC are done, chain a 1. Fastening off, leaving a long tail. If when you were crocheting, you didn't weave in this end, use a needle to weave in a few stitches. This is one koala ear. Use the same method to crochet a second one. Next, crochet the koala's nose. This black yarn is not very visible. Please use black yarn when you crochet. I'm using pink yarn to demonstrate. After wrapping the yarn, tie a knot. Insert the hook. Chain a 5. After finishing, go back to the second CH from hook. This is the first. The loop on the hook does not count. This is a V shape. This is the first stitch. This is the second stitch. Find the side half loop of the second stitch, okay? Insert hook. Pull the yarn through, work SC. Work SC into the next stitch as well. This is the second. Continue working SC. After working 3 SC, into this last stitch, work 3 SC. Last stitch, after working 3 SC. Now you ray on the other side. Pay attention to the other side because 3 SC were worked into this stitch. That is this one. Start from here. That means skipping 1 stitch. Then start from the second. When crocheting, place the yarn over the hook, then press it to the back. This way, you can hide the yarn as you go. 1 SC. Continued to SC. The last stitch is an ink in SC. After finishing, fasten off directly. After fastening off, go back to this side. Insert the needle. Insert from the back. Pull the yarn end that was just fastened off through like this. After fastening off like this, the nose is finished. Then pull this yarn a little. Then leave a little tail. Cut it. This tail should not be longer than this position. Just use a glue stick to glue it. This is a nose. Be sure to use black yarn when you crochet.